In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and delete your WhatsApp account. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is go over and open WhatsApp. And then once you've opened up WhatsApp, go ahead and click on the three dots in the top right corner. And then once you've done that, go ahead and click on settings. And click on account. And as you can see there at the bottom, there's an option for delete my account. All you need to do is go ahead and click on delete my account. And then what it's going to ask you to do is go ahead and put in your mobile number. But as you can see here at the top, if you want to delete your account, it will remove your account from WhatsApp, erase your message history, delete you from all your WhatsApp groups, and delete your Google Drive backup. So please make sure you are certain about deleting your WhatsApp, because you will not be able to get it back once you have deleted it. But once you are sure you want to delete it, go ahead and enter your phone number and simply click on delete, and then it will wipe it from the WhatsApp database. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.